At para naman sa ating health updates, patuloy nga ang pagbaba ng mga itatalang kaso ng COVID-19 sa bansa.
You clearly heard the sound emitted by the radio, right? But you know that this radio won't produce any sound if it doesn't have any magnets inside? You see, magnets are all around us. They are so prominent that even this guy has it. Yes, actually, the Earth is basically a magnet, a giant sphere of rotating and revolving magnet. Hold on. You might be wondering, what is a magnet in the first place? Well, magnets are basically any materials that are capable of attracting iron and producing magnetic fields outside itself. We are all familiar with how magnetism works, aren't we? Magnets attract some metals, and they both have north and south poles. Opposite poles attract, while like poles repel. We all know that. But to easily understand the idea of magnetism, let me tell you first how magnets really work. Magnets are objects that produce magnetic fields. The magnetic field's line of force exits the magnet from its north pole down to its south pole. Magnetic fields are created by moving electric charges. Every known material is made up of atoms, and each atom has a nucleus made of neutrons and protons with electrons that orbit around them. Since the electrons are tiny moving charges, a small magnetic field is created around each atom. Positively charged particles plus negatively charged particles equals magnetic fields. Okay, now it seems very simple for me. Not that simple. The idea of magnetism is both simple and complex, with some parts of it yet to be truly explored. Do you mind asking yourself something out of curiosity? Is the universe really infinite? And do you know the answer to that question? No, the idea is very simple, but the explanation behind it is very complex. The idea of magnetism is just like that. Okay, I agree that this is an enormous concept and you guys made it simple for me. However, there's still this last question left unanswered. Why do magnets play an important role in producing sounds? Well, the key idea here is electromagnetism. It is the process where magnetic fields are created by introducing current into a conductor. When a conductor is electrically charged, it produces magnetic line of force. But to answer your question, let's look at how these devices that works on electromagnetism work. The speakers are designed to transform electrical waves into audible sound. A permanent magnet is coupled to a metal coil which generates a magnetic field as current passes through it. The permanent magnetic field repels the newly created magnetic field, resulting in vibrations. These vibrations are amplified with a cone-like structure, creating the sounds. Aside from its purpose of serving as a fundamental working principle for many of the home appliances and household applications, it also serves as a safeguard of our humanity. From the news and health updates that we got to hear every day from radio to the Earth's magnetic fields that keep every organism alive, it is truly fascinating to know that a magnet can do this all.